Hello folks, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today I want to talk about top cybersecurity stocks. Today is May 13, 2021. So here I got a couple images here. First one is from CrowdStrike, We Stop Breaches. So it's a great company and company has been doing great right from get-go. Then we got Cloudflare. This is also one of my favorites. It's a great company. They're also into content delivery network and they're doing fabulously well. And last but not least, we got Zscaler. Again, it's a company started from ground up, very good security posture, great company. So with that, let's go into a little more details and look at a list of companies and see which ones are worth investing. So with that, here is the list of companies. This is the first page here. The way I sorted this is really by 1 year performance. And I also got the sales growth here, the actual sales in millions, the sales growth, the gross margin. I pay very close attention to sales growth and gross margin. So if you have good sales growth or accelerating sales growth and a nice gross margin, that's the recipe for success. So with that, let's look at a couple of them here. First one is CrowdStrike, $183. Great performance, 55% year over year. And they have $41 billion in market cap. That's a great number. And $874 million in sales. And nice gross margin. I love this 73% gross margin. And they have some short float or a short interest, which is not too bad. And from a price to sales perspective, they're a little pricey, which is understandable. It's a rapidly growing company. And as you can see here, they've done nicely for 1 year, but also they've done nicely for six months. But if you look at 3 month, 1 month, 2 week, 1 week, 1 day, they have not done well. This is where all the great stocks from last year, they're kind of showing some signs of weakness with the economy opening up. So I would buy this company on the weakness, buy slowly and hold it for a long time. And then we got Net, which is Cloudflare. Same story, little bit from a stock price perspective, much lower, but nice growth. I love this growth. And also market cap is a little bit less as you can see here, $20 billion market cap. And I love the sales growth and nice gross margin, even better than CrowdStrike. And as you can see a similar trend here, they've done nicely for 1 year. 6 months also they're kind of sort of hanging in there, but 3 month, 1 month, 2 week, 1 week, all negative. Even today they're negative despite of market going up nicely. And I think trend continues. Same story with Zscaler, nice company. I love this. And also same story here. As you can see here, 3 month, 1 month, 2 week, they are kind of going down. Even 1 week and 1 day. The trend is similar for most part, as you can see here. SailPoint, another great company. This is into identity and single sign-on type. Great company. They're doing nicely, and trajectory is same. The moment you look from 3 month all the way to 1 day, they're down. In contrast, we got a smaller company here, Ribbon Communications, RBBN, $6 stock. This one has done nicely, like 1 day, 1 week, and rest it's all negative as you can see here, but nicely for 1 year. And I will not go through each and every one. You can look through in leisure. I love stocks like FireEye, low dollar stock. It's good to catch this company also when it's down and done nicely for 1 year. And Rapid7 also it's also a great stock, done nicely for 1 year. Both stocks have got accelerating sales growth, and Rapid7 has got more sales growth than FireEye. Palo Alto Network is one of my favorite stocks. A little bit high price as you can see here, but very nice stock. They've done nicely from a sales growth perspective, and market cap is $31 billion. A little bit higher market cap, but as you can see, they've done nicely. But trajectory is same. They've done nicely for 1 year and 6 months, but if you look from 3 month all the way to 1 day, it's all negative. So I would buy this one also on the pullback slowly and hold it for a long time. And Ubiquity and Arista Networks, these guys always give opportunity for you to buy. Typically during the quarter end, their quarterly earnings, these stocks have got a history of dropping, a lot. I would pick them on in such situations. But same trajectory as you can see here, Arista Network is down all the way from 3 month onwards. Similar trend for Ubiquity also. And I love, Proofpoint, Fortinet. McAfee is a new company. I think they kind of separated out from Intel. I think they're also doing well. It's a relatively new company. As you can see here, they are doing nicely for 6 months. I think it's just 6 month old company. So overall it's a good company. And then you got a couple more here, A10, Ramp, OneSpan. I love Okta. Okta is a great company, and I think they've done nicely from a revenue growth perspective. And F5, this company also goes up and down a lot. It's good to buy this company on a downtrend. And Cisco is getting its groove back. As you can see here, Cisco has done not so great last year, but now all the companies are trying to get the employees into campus. I think stock is doing great. This is in contrast to most of the cybersecurity stocks. Cisco stock has been doing nicely all the way from 1 year, 6 month, 3 month, all the way to 1 day. I think this Cisco has got its mojo back. I think they will do well as the economy reopens. Then you got Norton Life. It's a consumer security play. I think this company is also going to be okay, doing 24%. It's a steady Eddie type stock. As you can see here, this company also kind of done nicely. This rotation out of growth did not impact NortonLifeLo. Next, let's look at a couple more here. As you can see here, Mantech, MIME, Radware. VMware is also one of my favorites. The company has been, separated out from Dell, or in the process of being separated. I think this company is good. It's been beaten down for so long. I think it will do well going forward. And Checkpoint is one of my favorites. It's a steady Eddie. Again, it's good to catch this company on a downturn and hold it for a while. I love SAIC. SAIC, I think they were down after the quarterly earnings. I think it's good to catch this company also when it's down. And CyberArk, again, one of my favorites. Lydios into defense and some of these government contracts, they're doing nicely. I think their performance-wise is low right now. It's good to catch on this, downtrend. VeriSign steady Eddie stock. They are also into network domain. I think they have done a little bit lower, 5% for the year. Rest of all, it's a negative growth for the year. I think companies, I love Qualys also here. SolarWinds had got big security breach. Probably it's one of those stocks which is beaten down a lot. Ping Identity, this company I think could not compete effectively with the big brother and big sisters like SailPoint and Okta. It's doing not so great. I would not venture into Ping at this point. Instead, I would buy stocks like Okta or SailPoint. And I think those are the quick summary here. And Splunk used to be a great stock, but now it's kind of fallen off side. I think this one is a good one to buy on a downturn and hold it for a while. So with that, that's the wrap on the company side. What I will also do, we have a request to sort these companies by price. So I sorted them from low price to high price. So if you are trying to invest in low price stocks, this could be a good way to look at. We got ZIXI, which is a very low price as you can see here, and also has got good growth. So if you want to invest in these low price stocks, look for price being low and sales growth being accelerating or positive, and nice gross margin. A stock like ZIXI as an example, or even Ribbon. I love Ribbon also. So companies like this, it's good to invest when they're down, like right now, and hold it for a long time. And same story, Tufin also a good company. I think they did nicely last year. Now they're a little bit down. So this is the same information sorted by price, low to high. So this is page 1, and we got page 2 here, and Palo Alto is the priciest stock from a stock price perspective in this list. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe to Raj Option Trading. Thank you. Bye.